Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a very important tool which you can use to make extra money on Udemy. And that is called as making use of announcements. So in Udemy, you get 4 educational announcements to make to your students, and you also get 2 promotional announcements every single month on each of your courses. Let's go ahead and let me go over to the communication, and in the communication you have something called as announcements. So you can see here there are 2 types of announcements, educational and promotional. In the case of educational announcements, you have to be mindful that you're only giving educative content to your students. You are not asking them to enroll in other courses. You are not asking them to sign up to your mailing list, nothing to in return of their email addresses, nothing like that. It's just a plain announcement that will take them to a YouTube video where you are trying to explain them something. You might ask them at the end of the video to subscribe to your channel and things of like that, but you cannot ask them to, hey, go and subscribe to my course or buy my course on my website, nothing like that. So it has to be educative. You can add links, but all those links should not ask them to submit their email information or anything like that. It has to be plain, simple, informational message. But it's very, very powerful. If you are trying to grow your YouTube channel, or if you are trying to bring visitors to your website, you should definitely make use of this educational announcement. So let's say you have posted a new video on your YouTube channel, which you just started out, right? Whenever you do that, create a educational post and send it to your students and ask them to go and watch the video and why they should watch this video. By doing so, they will go and hit to your channel, and they might also subscribe to your channel, okay? And also, when you bring a lot of traffic to your YouTube video, YouTube is going to recognize that and it'll show the video to more and more people. So your channel is also going to grow fast. So definitely make use of these 4 educational announcements. You should always aim of sending one every week. The next one you have is the promotional emails. Now this is where you can make extra money. Through promotional email, let's say you have 2 courses on Udemy. You can create promotional announcements for both of those courses. Promotional announcements can only be created on paid courses, not on the free courses, okay? So educational announcements you can send to the free courses as well, but the promotional announcements, you can only send it over to the paid courses, which is actually there is a price to pay for the course. Now, in the case of promotional announcements, you can actually add the coupon code of your course, of the other course, in your promotional announcement, and you can ask the students to enroll in the other courses. So here, let me show you this educational announcement that I have. Okay, so I have created a bunch of these announcements. So let's take a look at messages, especially for women. Okay, that is the announcement I created recently. And this is a new YouTube channel that I'm trying to build, and this channel is basically about self-help, motivation, sharing ideas on how to make money online, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is what this channel is about. It's completely different from my Salesforce. I do have a separate channel of Salesforce where I only share Salesforce related information, whereas this channel is more personalized and I'm sharing a lot more personal things in this channel, and it's just starting out, right? And in this particular channel, whenever I post a video, I do put the link of that video in my educational announcement. So you can see here, this is the message that I'm posting to the students. And this message, I have the link to my YouTube video. So if I go and click on this link, you will see the video will pop up, and let me just pause it. So this is the video that I have added on my YouTube channel. And so usually what will happen is people, once they receive this announcement, they're definitely going to click on it. And if they like such content, they will end up subscribing to my channel as well, right? So this is something you can do it, and you should definitely make use of your announcements. Now, this is one of the education announcement. Now let's go back to your promotional announcements. So I do also create promotional announcements, and this one was the recent one that I have added. And if you can see the content of this message, I am asking my students, my current students who are not enrolled in this course, I have provided a coupon code for this course, and I've asked the students to enroll. So that way, students are made aware of other courses that they are not enrolled in, and they also get a coupon code where they can actually get the course at a discounted price. I do have a lot of courses, but one thing I have learned is I don't put too much links in my message. I try to keep it one action at a time, because when you put bunch of messages to enroll in all those courses, sometimes students just don't want to do it. So if you give them a targeted link or a target course to enroll in, then there are more chances of students actually going and buying that particular course. So here, this is the course that I'm trying to promote, and I created a coupon code for it. So if you see here that this is what the link looks like. So it has the coupon code, link in here to the course. Now, how did I create one? So every time you go to a course, so this is your course. If you go to the course and let's say you want to create a coupon code for that particular course, you can actually go to that specific course. So let's say I went to this particular course, Salesforce Certified, and here there is a section under promotions, and under the promotions, you can create a coupon code. You get about 3 more coupons this month. So every month you can create 3 coupon codes. And if you see here, if I click on create new coupon, you have 4 options. You can give them current best price. This will only last for 5 days. Okay, so your coupon is going to get expired after 5 days. Then if you want to give them a custom price, then that particular price will expire in 31 days. And then you have free, if you just want to create free coupons. If they want the students to enroll for free, then you can do 1,000 redemptions, and targeted one you can create. I never use free, to be honest. Okay, I always use the current best price. My coupons only last for 5 days. Here, when you are trying to create a coupon code, you provide what is the start date. Then you will also automatically, it will be 5 days from that day. And then here you can put your coupon code. So let's say coupon code is new course. Let's say this is the coupon code I've created, or I'll say something like celebrations. So this is the coupon code. So then here, once you create it, the coupon code will be created, and then you will get a link. Okay, so let's say I go ahead and create a review coupon and create coupon. Now what will happen is, this is the coupon code. The actual price of the course is about, let's see how much is the price. So if I go here, the pricing of the course is about $199, but using this coupon code. So if I open this in a incognito mode, and if I paste this, you will see the course is, because I've created this coupon code, it is for only $9.99 and only lasts you for 4 days. Okay, so you can see here, this coupon code is only going to last you for 4 days. Automatically, it's going to get applied. And actual price of the course it is showing is $99.84, and it is giving you a discount here of $9.99. Okay, it's discounted price is only under $10. Now this price also varies. Some people who are in India will probably pay a cheaper rate to this course. If somebody is trying to access it from America, they probably have to pay $10 for this. But the game is of quantity, right? The more the students who are going to buy your course, more money you're going to make. Okay, because you will hardly going to get a full price sale to your course. So I rarely get $100 sales. So once in a while I might get it, but majority of the sales are less than $10, and it's the traffic is what makes the money worth working on, right? See, students are also getting a very good deal. They're getting a great content, which is hours and hours long, help them with a certification, but they only have to pay $10 for that course, okay, or less than $10. So you are getting a great value for the money that they are spending. That's how you create a coupon code, and that's how you make use of your promotional announcements. So in promotional announcements, you can always cross-sell. You can promote your current other courses to your current students. Make sure it's only within Udemy. Don't try to take them outside of Udemy, because sooner or later they'll see it and they might ban you, okay? In the case of educational announcements, you can actually send them to your YouTube channel, and also you can send them to your website, okay? So I do have a website, which is mytutorialrack.com. And over here, whenever I post something, whenever I write a blog post, then I will go ahead and share I'll share the link in my educational announcement, and people who are interested to learn about that topic, they'll come to my blog post, and once they land on my website, they will tend to browse around and they'll tend to see. And then here I also give them courses for free, and they might enroll in something, or they try to contact me, then they can submit some message, and all of these goes into my email list builder. So all the emails that I collect through my website will land onto my email list, and then I can use that email list to send emails to my students. They can get up-to-date information about new courses, up-to-date information about any new courses that I'm creating, any new content that I've posted on YouTube. So you can have more number of communications with them, because on Udemy you're only restricted to do 4 educational announcements and 2 promotional announcements. But if you want to interact on a weekly basis or multiple times a week, then you having that email list always helps. That's why I told you, whenever you are creating your course, start thinking about your YouTube channel, and also start thinking about your own website. People have made a lot of money just selling courses on their own website. So think in that direction, because Udemy is not a long-term solution for you. You're starting out with Udemy, but use that audience to build your own website. I hope this video was very valuable and you have learned a lot of content. And do let me know if you have any questions, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye, and thank you so much.